Hey guys, it's Aaron at Rich & Sons. Today we're going to take a walk through the 2021 Sprinter 27ML. This is a true couples coach fifth wheel. This unit is just over 31 feet long, weighs under 9,200 pounds. So follow me inside and we'll take a look. I guess actually before we walk inside, this unit does come with a mini fridge. It's got some outside cabinets, so it's good for your drinks, food, storage, things like that. It's kind of unique to have something like this on a couples coach. Most time you have to have bunks to have anything like this. So follow me in. Right when you get inside here to the right, you're going to have a nice little bench here, some coat hooks to sit down, get ready for the day. It's kind of a unique little feature. Got a good sized pantry to the side of that, so tons of storage to start off there. You have your Thomas Paine theater seats. Those do light up, they vibrate. Pretty unique little feature there. Got a cool looking table here, which is a new look to Sprinter this year. You got your dinette chairs. Doesn't come with a booth, like I said. This is a traditional kind of couples coach. Big back kitchen here. Also, one more pantry. So you will have tons of space in here. Obviously, you're going to have your oven, stove, microwave, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. It's a gas electric. Have your flat screen TV entertainment center right across from your theater seats. You got a sound bar, a fireplace. A lot of people ask me, do they heat? Yes, they actually do heat. It's nice in the springtime, fall time. Instead of running your furnace, run that. Definitely keep this place warm for you. Up to the front here, you're going to have your bathroom and also your bedroom. You have the big residential style one-piece shower, storage to the left of that as well. Tons of room in here to get dressed. Vanity, storage up top and also below as well. Then going into the bedroom, it's kind of, you wouldn't expect this big of a bedroom on a smaller unit, but you do have your king size bed up here as well. It's on a bed slide, so you have tons of room in here to get dressed. Dresser, got some more cabinets up top. Tons of storage up front. So like I said, as you can see, this is a true couples coach. It's only going to sleep the two of you. But like I said, you've got 31 feet, so it's super comfortable to tow, 9,200 pounds, so it's not that heavy. But our show is winding down. Come on out, take a look at this. This unit is priced at $35,999. With our show savings, you actually get $12.50 off of that, or you can actually use that towards a trade assistance as well. So, like I said, this is the 2021 Sprinter 27ML. I'm Aaron Johnson. Come out and see the both of us this weekend at our show. Give me a call, set up a time. 308-325-4567 is my cell, or you can reach me here at the store, 308-384-2040. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.